This is the mobile SEAFLO pump kit. Great thing about this is all you need is inside this great carry case. I usually carry this on my roof rack. What we've done here, we're on the canning stock route, we found an active well and we need some water. So instead of actually taking the bucket, we used the hose that comes with the pump, an extension hose. We added the little filter bit on the end of that so we don't suck in any big bits from it. Then we've hooked up the power to an outlet that's running off the lithium battery in the car. And we've got a way how we can get water out of the well without actually using the bucket. This pump is actually delivering 17 liters per minute, so it is, you could wash your car if you want to. There's the same pressure in there, 4.8 bar, that you get from most mains pressures as well. So if you want to have a look, we just use John's car here. As you can see, there's plenty of water coming out. Wash your windscreen, wash your lights. We don't want to waste too much water because in the end we had the canning and we don't want to pump the well empty. But as you can see, very handy piece of kit. I use that a lot as well when I'm on muddy four-wheel drive tracks, just in case you get a clogged radiator, or even when you get off the track and your rims are full of mud and they're caked and you get the wheel wobbles. To prevent that, what I usually do, I use the rest out of my water tank and I just clean the rims out like that. Works an absolute treat. I think it's a very essential kit. At least one person in your track should have that with you. I think that's all you can say about that. In the end, it's still a pump. So thanks for watching and see you for the next one.